Okay, you can start the music now. No, not that one.
Hello there, and welcome to this edition of How to Create a World-Class Education at Home. If you're watching this video, you've probably already seen the videos on Microsoft Word and Microsoft OneNote. So now it's time to learn about where to store all those documents so you don't lose them. And one of the best places to save them is in the cloud, on Microsoft OneDrive. For example, remember all those pictures we looked at when we were working on Victor's recipes in the video we did on OneNote? Here they are. The problem is that the only place I can find them right now is on this computer. If I stored them in the cloud on OneDrive, I could have access to them from a different computer, any computer, or a different location, or my tablet, or my smartphone, as long as I had access to the internet. And there's another advantage to OneDrive. It keeps your files safe. I know many people that have stored their most important documents on a computer or hard drive, and then it breaks, or the hard drive goes bad. And all of those files, all of those documents that are important are gone, or at least hard to retrieve. Keeping your files on OneDrive helps solve that problem. And there's one more advantage to OneDrive. It makes it easy to share and collaborate with colleagues or teachers or students or friends and family. To open OneDrive, go to the MyPassGo Connect sign-in page. Enter your username and password, and it will take you to the dashboard, which will look like this. Look for the Office 365 icon. It looks like this, and click on it. When the next page opens, you'll probably see the OneDrive icon on the left side of the page. But if you don't, just click on this button, and it will show you all the Microsoft apps that are available to you. The OneDrive icon looks like this. I already have a OneDrive account, but for this video, I started a new one. So if you're new to OneDrive, your opening page will probably look like this. Let's take a few minutes to look around. As you can see here, OneDrive has already created a couple of folders for you. Up here, I can see what files are on the drive, and click here to see the most recent file I've worked on. Right now, there are no files or photos on the drive, and I haven't shared anything on this drive with anyone yet, so all these folders are empty right now. But not for long. Now, here's something interesting. See this icon up here in the corner? If you click on it, you'll see all the apps that are available to open within OneDrive. And if you open an app or program while you're in OneDrive, the information will automatically be saved in the cloud. For example, let's say I wanted to start a Word document. I simply open it up, choose a blank document or template, do some work, and then go here to save it. Wait a minute, where's the Save button? I click on Save As, and I can see all these options here, but what does this say?
There's no save button because we're automatically saving your document.
So I can just close Microsoft Word, and it will be right here with your files. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click on this button to refresh the page and update everything in the cloud. Now, if you want to put this document into a folder, you can grab it up here in the corner where this circle is. Make sure it's highlighted, and then drag it over and drop it in the folder. That's one way to do it. But I want to move this document into a new folder. So I'll create a folder by clicking here and name it New Documents. And then I'll go to my Word document, right-click on it, and I can see all the things I can do with it. I want to move it into the New Documents folder, so I click on Move To. I choose the folder I want to move it to, click Move, and it's done. Now if you go back to the main page, you'll see the new folder, and it has this little number in the bottom corner telling you how many documents or items you have inside that folder. Now let me show you one more way to do all this. If you recall, I started this new Word document using this icon in the corner and then saved it to the main page, and then we moved it into a folder. Let's try it this way. I'm going to open the folder first and then click right up here where it says New. And you see, there are the apps just like before. Only now, if I create a new document called The Newest Document Ever, I'm also going up here to change the name of the document to something else besides Document. Otherwise, I'll just have a whole list of documents titled Document. And close it out. You can see that it automatically saved it into this folder, and I didn't have to move it anywhere. I go back to the main page, and I can see there are now 2 documents in this folder. Another way to add files into OneDrive is to simply upload them. I have some pictures of my little friend that are on my desktop computer that I want to save to OneDrive. So I go here to the Pictures folder and open it up. I'll create a new folder called My Little Buddy and open that one up. And then click here on Upload. Find the pictures. There they are. Select them all and click Open. And now they're on my OneDrive in the cloud. Another way to do that is just drag the pictures from my desktop and drop them right here, and you can upload them that way as well. Hey, remember Victor from the previous video on OneNote? Well, he wanted me to share these photos with him, and he promised to send me some as well. So I'm going to go right up here to the Share button. Click on Share, fill in the information, and maybe add a message. And then send it to him. Now, it may take a few minutes for the files to get there, depending on how fast your internet connection is. And if nothing happens for a while, you may want to click on this button to refresh the page. But in this case, it happened pretty quick. And look, I guess Victor must have been thinking the same thing, because here are some documents that he shared with me. Let's see here. These are great. So now, if I lose my laptop or go on vacation and forget to bring it, I can simply use someone else's computer or tablet, log into my Microsoft account, and open my OneDrive and see everything that's in it. Okay, well, that should be enough to get you started using Microsoft OneDrive. Remember that there's lots of tutorials and training videos on the internet that go much deeper. And we think you'll find Microsoft OneDrive to be a very important part of creating and developing a world-class education at home. See ya!